Okay. Got the new deck that came in. Grip tape. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. This thing is fucking sick. Holy shit. This is so cool. Oh my god. Ratchet this or anything. Fuck yes. This thing's so sick. Oh, cool. Sticker. Same as the top graphic. Oh, you guys, it's like, you can feel it, it's like braille. Oh my god, this thing's sick. This is so cool, holy shit. This is fucking awesome. This is, oh my god, yeah. Oh man, I'm excited as hell. So, I'm just gonna use the old trucks that I have. Should work out decently. Okay. Oops. Just go out. Get the first truck off. Keep it matchy-matchy. Okay. Oops. Time to lay this fucking grip tip. Whoops, and everything over there. Oh, something's wrong. Alright. Let's lay this fucking grip tape out. Oh, this is gonna be tight. We are actually gonna cut it. I want to show this. A little bit. Mark my skizzers. I'll try to make this shit as straight as possible. We will use fucking straight edge. It's not gonna be perfect. Said it had to be. Nice. It was made out of recyclable wood. Alright, so we got this peel done. That edge kind of fucking tapered right there, so what we're gonna do. Ooh, I fucking like that. That was a good lay. Good lay, good lay, good lay. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I don't feel any air bubbles. Nothing. Manufactured side. Oh yeah, we got plenty of room here. Let's go for it. rest out of the way. Yeah, this side's definitely the manufactured cut, straight edge cut. Has to be fucking perfect. That is how you do it, folks. Oh, baby. It's probably the best job I've ever fucking done. Okay, so we'll just take a straight edge. Missed it a little bit on this corner, but it's not that big of a deal. It's perfect. I just barely got it. So yeah, there's the shape, and I'm gonna cut it. Okay, so we're cutting grip tape. And what I like to do, you might be able to see right here, I cut straight down so it goes to the edge of the board, and then I go from the side. I don't just start from the side, I always go straight down first. So there's usually a little piece left, but that's okay. Down and to the side. You just gotta be careful not to cut your board. It's not the biggest deal if you do, but you just obviously you don't want to. Almost done here. So I pulled it down quite a bit. Flip her around here. These chunks. There we go. Gripped up. Show you a little trick. When you're done gripping, sand the sides down.